What is going on, guys? It's Chris Productions. We're going to be doing another weekly test, and this time it's actually going to be the last test of the year. It is New Year's Day. Tomorrow is going to be 2025, and I do have a surprise up my sleeve, but we're not going to talk about that right now. As we can see, we are using my 4K camera. I don't know why I haven't been using it recently. Today we're going to test the basement one. We're going to be testing all of them once again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we know that one is working, which is good. And by the way, the only reason this is has a dual feature is because there used to be one right here, as you can see, but now there's no longer that, so now it's going to be replaced with this one. Okay, so now up here in the kitchen, we have another smoke alarm, and over there, we also have a dog. It is now time to test this one. Okay, so we know that one's working. And by the way, my dog, she does cry all the time when I do this kind of stuff. So she's fine, she just doesn't like it. Since we're in the kitchen, we may as well test this carbon monoxide alarm right here. Okay, we have our broom now. So okay, we now know that works, but we no longer need that broom that just fell. Okay, maybe we do, because we have another one right here. Okie dokie. That one's gonna need replaced. I can already tell something's kind of wrong with that one. Up here in my bedroom, we have another one of these. Okay, so we know that one works. Here we do have an older one. Okay, I don't trust this one. It just zapped me. I'm not even joking, that just zapped me. That's gonna complete it here for this test, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Right now, at the top of my head, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The smoke alarm devices. But if we come down here, which is a huge mess because I'm working on a demo board, we have that Firelight MS4, and then we have all this. I may as well spoil it up to you. If you watch this before New Year's, this is going to be a chain of my devices. And since my Vibratone buzzer runs on 120 volts, we are not going to be testing it with that. So this is going to go off first, and all those are just going to start flashing. But if you do have epilepsy, don't watch that video, because there will be a lot of unsynced flashing. Other than that, though, as always, have a good day. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.